Why I use Amazon Lockers or why you should use Amazon Lockers. So let's get started with the tutorial. Amazon Locker is a delivery option where the company will ship your purchase to a secure nearby location instead of your home. Lockers at these locations unlock using either a barcode scanner or a Bluetooth connection with the Amazon app on your phone. Amazon orders are typically left at a doorstep or in a shared area like the mailroom or lobby. While this isn't usually a problem, I prefer to have my packages delivered to an Amazon locker when I have people visiting me for extended periods. If you live in a shared space, you can't be sure who will collect your package and they may even accidentally open it. If you would rather your purchases remain private, selecting an Amazon locker as your pickup point can help. This way, you can reset, assure that your package will be delivered to a secure pickup location and only you will grab it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.